What? Yeah.
Hello, I'm Phil and welcome back to Cooking with Phil. Today we're gonna make mac and cheese. Here we go. So first things first, you're gonna wanna go out and buy some mac and cheese. I already have this Kraft macaroni and cheese. This is the cheesiest apparently, so the original flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and make that. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get a pot and fill that with water. Okay, once you have water in it, you can go ahead and put it in the microwave. We're going to want to bring this to a boil. So go ahead and put about 8 minutes on. That should bring it to a nice boil. And then we'll just wait.